Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to stake the Sui crypto. It's easy to stake this Sui crypto. You're going to need a wallet to perform that task. And the wallet in question is the Martian wallet. So how can you get yourself a Martian wallet? The Martian wallet only exists on PCs and they exist as Chrome extensions. You can also get yourself a Martian wallet when you use a Chrome extension on your phone. And there's an app that can help us get the Chrome extensions on our phone. And the app is the Kiwi browser. Make sure you've downloaded this app. And with the app downloaded, click on the Kiwi browser itself. Once there, the icon at the top right, that's the three dots, click on this icon and click on the extensions option. By doing this, we could simply get extensions on our phone. If you click the plus icon, this means to add extensions from the store. So click on the plus icon. And once that's done, you're taken to the Chrome web store where you could easily add the Martian wallet. So in order to do this, make sure you use the link in the description of the video. And once you use the link in the description of the video, you're met with the Martian Aptos Sui wallet extension. Now, all you need to do is simply click on Add to Chrome. And by clicking on Add to Chrome Web Store, we can easily have this wallet on our phone and we can make use of this when we click on Add to Chrome. Once that's done, the Martian wallet would automatically open and you click on Create a New Wallet. So click on Create a New Wallet. Once you've clicked on Create a New Wallet, create the password. Click on the Continue option. Make sure your recovery phrase is copied. And with your recovery phrase saved, click on Continue. Click on Continue once more, and we can have the wallet on our Chrome extension. So click on Finish. And with that done, how can we stake our Sui? The icon at the top right, click on this icon once more. Scroll down and find the Martian Aptos Sui wallet. Click on the wallet, and the wallet gets opened. Enter your password and unlock the wallet. Once the wallet has been unlocked, head over to your Martian portfolio. You can do this by clicking on the Explore Now option and you're taken to martianwallet.xyz. This is where we can simply connect our Martian wallet onto this platform and stake some of our Sui crypto. So click on Connect Wallets, click on Approve, and once you've connected your wallet, all you need to do now to start staking your Sui crypto is the icon at the top left. Click on this icon and simply click on stake. Once you've selected the stake option, scroll down and click on Stake Sui. So once you click on stake more, you could easily enter your account and the validator is set to Figment. You could select any of which have better APYs and then enter the amount of Sui you wish to stake and simply click on Continue. So guys, once that's done, click on Preview Stake and Confirm Stake. By doing this, you've successfully staked some of your Sui tokens and you would receive the appropriate rewards. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.